Welcome back to our Elements Spotlight series. Today, get ready to be captivated by the magic of carbon, the unsung hero of our daily lives. From the pencil you write with to the very air you breathe, this element is everywhere. But that's just the beginning. Well, buckle up because we're about to unveil the 5 wonders of carbon in just a minute. 1. Versatility. Carbon's versatility is mind-blowing. It can go from being the hardest substance to one of the softest. Tal2 Life's backbone. Did you know that carbon is the backbone of life? It's a key player in the incredible dance of life, making up the DNA that defines who we are. 3. Star stuff. Believe it or not, the carbon in our bodies was once stardust. That's right, we're literally made of stars. 4. Global player. Carbon plays a crucial role in the Earth-carbon cycle. 5. Last but not least, carbon is an energy champion. It powers our world, from the fuel in your car to the electricity lighting up your home. Please share video.